G'day guys, welcome to today's video. Today just a very quick video to show the install of the new shift knob that I got for the Starlet. This is a Tier D genuine shift knob. For all those guys in Australia, I bought it from Phil Gilbert online. It was about 180 bucks, something like that. So not the cheapest, but the quality is actually pretty good. The stitching is actually black, which I like. I mean, I wouldn't mind if it was red, but this is pretty OEM look. So it's obviously leather, pretty good quality, good feel. On top you got the shift pattern, which makes it legal because many of the aftermarket shift knob, many times they don't have it on top, so it's technically not legal. So this is pretty much an OEM replacement. The thread size of this one is M12 per 1.25. Let's compare it to the stock shift knob, which are already taken out. So you can see this one is a little bit bigger on the top. So depending on how you hold it, and you have a small hand, this one, I don't know, it might feel better. For me, this one is perfect. Even because most of the time I'll be pushing it from the side, so I'm never sort of holding it from the top. So even in terms of height, it's actually a bit taller. And the other thing is, this is a weighted shift knob, so probably I would say the weights are good 50% more than the stock one. And so it makes some of the shifts a bit smoother. I already tried it on top, but we're gonna install it now and then I'm gonna give some feedback on how it feels. Alright, inside the Starlet now, I already installed this shift boot here, but as you can see, it's not very flush on top. I've got this sort of piece that sticks out, and yeah, it doesn't look that great, but actually one of the guys on the group told me that you can actually put this one upside down and fold this sort of top part inside, so you can have a flush fitment on top. So I'm gonna try that. Also because this one is a little bit longer, so it tends to compress this one and it doesn't look that good. Basically folded this part inside, so all the stitches should go up to the end. So now I'm just gonna try to tie it as best as I can.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I successfully managed to put this one in and sort of tighten the shift up on the side, so it sort of looks flush and nice. So let's put this one on and see how it looks.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so the install is done. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Alright, so we're going for a very quick test drive and sort of tell you how this new shift knob feels. So straight away, it definitely feels much better than the stock one, being leather instead of just a bare piece of plastic. So in the hand it feels much better, and the fact that it's also a bit taller and bigger, definitely for someone of my size, at least my hand size, feels much better as well. So definitely a big improvement just for that. The fact it's also weighted, yeah, particularly if you do quick shifting, yeah, I feel like it's a bit more precise, potentially, as much like this is not a very precise gearbox in general. I feel like being a bit bigger and taller, you got a bit more control. It's soft in the hand, a bit bigger, feels like a proper shifter now, not just like a little toy like the stock one. Again, for 180 bucks, you can't really go wrong. And this is a quality piece as well, so it will last long. And look cool as well. So 100% recommended.